Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I shall take you around for a small tour of my son's room. It will also include few designing, decor and organization ideas. Kids of different ages have different needs. We design and organize this room according to his present needs. Now let's get started. You must have seen this room in bits and pieces in my earlier videos, and this is how it looks at present. It is about 12 by 12 square feet in area. It has a big window for abundant sunlight and ventilation. At this young age, his needs are simple and uncomplex. We chose soothing color palette. Majority is white with light green and yellow color. As we enter, there is a cabinet and next to it is a study table. Right of it is his bed. A convenient side table is placed next to the bed. And the wall opposite to the window wall has these closets. Now let me take you around the things one by one. Let's start from closets. The very first one is Athar's closet. I've already made a video on its setup. Please check its link in the description box if not seen earlier. I chose drawer over shelves in its closet as it is easy to segregate and organize his different cloth types. Another major advantage is even if sometimes a particular drawer gets messy, it does not affect other storage space, and messy drawer does not turn into an eyesore in closed position. Next is this closet, which I am using temporarily as my sari closet. My in-laws are visiting us, so I have shifted my stuff from guest room to here so that they can keep their stuff conveniently in that room. The third one has all my shooting equipment and some miscellaneous stuff which I will show you in other upcoming videos. We have loft on the top where we keep seasonal decor and my shoot related stuff. Below the cupboard, we got these jumbo drawers made to store toys. These drawers are big enough to store big bulky toys which are hard to organize. Now let's see the bed. This is a queen bed which is closed almost from three sides. We intentionally made his head and foot board little higher to act as a rollover barrier for him while sleeping. I use fitted bedsheet on this bed. He and his friends love to play in this room all day long, and despite that, fitted sheet always stay intact. At least one less work for me. It has these shelves on the headboard to store few bedtime essentials. There is some storage over here and also at the bottom of the foot where he keeps some of his toys and books. This bed does not have storage below, but a trundle bed which is very useful, especially when we have guests visiting us. His cousins love to sleep and play here with him when they visit us. Earlier we had this thin rolling mattress here which was doing its job well temporarily, but it was not very comfortable. But now I've got this new Emma mattress for trundle bed and kids are finding it difficult to hide their excitement for its unboxing. Sometime back we got the same for our guest room and we were quite happy with it. The mattress came in this box nicely packed. It is vacuum sealed. It has plastic sheet which needs to be cut from all the sides and the mattress will start taking its shape. Perfect. It has a breathable zipper cover which can be easily washed at home. Emma Mattress is the most awarded German mattress in the world and it comes with 11 years warranty and 100 days trial. While sleeping, it gives a good back support and spine alignment. It is firm and highly durable with zero motion transfer. If you are looking for a good mattress, do check out Emma. They are giving great deals on their website, and Simplify Your Space viewers can get additional 5% discount by applying the coupon code SLEEPASHU. This part of the video is supported by Emma. Next to the bed, we have this small side table to keep his bedtime essentials handy. I also store his grooming essential kit here itself. On the top, there is a night lamp and a beautiful flower-shaped decor piece. Next to the side table, this cute burst-shaped basket has all his bedtime storybooks. I really like this piece as it is serving a dual purpose of storage and decor. The colorful foam mat looks good and hopefully it prevents noise to the flat below when he plays with his toys on the floor. Now let's see the other side. Study table made its worth felt during the lockdown when everyone needed a place to work and study. Athar finally settled down at this place for his online classes after a few trials on the dining table. I have organized and decorated this space as per his current needs. All the study essentials related to his online classes are easily accessible. We have a dedicated video on his study table organization for online classes. You can find its link in the description box. This is his scribble board which he and his friends use for scribbling, sketching and pretend plays. This was surely one of the very simple tools that kept him and his friends busy. Now next to the study table, we have this cabinet which is used to keep his books, stationery, art supplies, etc. His Legos are also kept in the bottom cabinets. My son is a Lego fan and can spend hours with them. Well, he's also Captain America and Iron Man fan. One ready-made shield is not good enough. He with his dad made a DIY Captain America shield from a discarded dartboard. He loves to do DIYs from discarded items. Now let's move ahead. Next to this cabinet is this drawer system which is with us for last 6 years. You must have seen this in my first toy organization ideas. I guess it was one of the first videos when I switched from phone camera to DSLR for video recordings. This is helpful to keep small toys segregated. At the bottom, all these Lego manuals are kept organized in this folder. And here at the corner of the door is kept this big basket which is utilized to store all his outdoor toys like cricket kit, badminton, ball, etc. I kept this room with minimal decor. On the back wall, I have placed this beautiful yellow and black combination sticker of pendant lights. And in the middle, this is a DIY caterpillar shaped photo collage of my son. Wall stickers are budget-friendly way of decorating any place. But yes, we must avoid overdoing them. Also, when you get bored, they can be changed easily. On the other side, just above the drawer system, this beautiful happiness frame is placed along with the happiness wall clock. Other than this, we have this window blind with animal print which goes perfect with the theme and decor. And that's all about this room. This room is my favorite too, as it is well lit, colorful and very cozy. I love to spend time with my son in this room. Hope you too like this room. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.